Dear Mom, I'd been under a lot of stress at work. So I decided to take that Mexican vacation I'd been planning. Now, despite what people say, I had no trouble whatsoever getting across the border. They recommended a reasonable place for me to stay. I got some great snapshots. There was plenty of interaction with the locals. But wouldn't you know it,
Something stinks about you.
even though you're having a blast,
Where is my money?
problems crop up.
Cut the toe off.
We already did that. 2 of them.
If it's not one thing, it's another.
Kill my father!
I never know when they'll come for my son.
Yeah, well, we're not gonna let that happen. If I want my trip to go smooth, I gotta nip this stuff in the bud. Well, Mom, I can't wait to get back. Who am I kidding? I'm not coming back.